here we go. This is a recap for January 3rd, 2025. Alrighty. And as you can see, the market's still open, and we had a lot of good signals here and there on the Jack trend strategy, right? And strategy is simple. Take the buy signals when the 9 moving average is above the 20 moving average, the red line. And just for reference, this is the 65, the yellow line, and the white line is the 200, right? These are just reference of seeing for the overall longer trend where the market is going. But for the shorter trend, we have it here, and this is what we use our signal out of. If it's a buy signal and the 9 is above the 20, then we just buy, right? Simple as that. And this is how the signals look. And the bluish color shaded area here is the time that I feel comfortable trading, right? So we have from 9 o'clock to about 9:24, right before the market opens. Right, that little area right here is tricky. It's a lot of up and down right before the market opens, and when the 9:30, right when the New York session opens. So I do 9:32 is when I can start trading again to 11. These are my ideal time to trade. Right, and I can trade a little longer if I feel like I didn't have the good results, but really around like 12 o'clock is like the hard cutoff for me. I don't trade past 12. I just haven't been profitable trading the afternoon sessions. That's just um, my numbers. Alrighty, so let's back test. We have the replay button. Start trading 9 o'clock, but because we had the signal right here, I'm gonna just start with it where we got the signal. All right, the 9 is above the 20, and it's in my trading area time, right? So I would have bought it here, right? And I try to get to one. I just do one contract. I don't be greedy, right? I do one contract. Try to get $200 a pop, and I put my stop loss at 400, right? Right. Give a little cushion in the trade. That's what my stop loss is. An inverse profit win profit ratio, but the strategy is very profitable, right? It's about 70 to 80% win rate. So I can give the $400 loss because I know I can make it back in a couple of trades, right? So that's why and the market loves to pull back and continue, right? So give yourself a little bit of cushion and just be okay with the loss. If it reverses back and you lose, it was a bad trade, right? And some of you, I know you lost more than $400 in the trade. So $400 cushion is really not that bad, as you can see it for a day trader to lose $400 in a day. It's really not that bad. For me, my personal $800 is cut off. If it was $800 in a day, I'm done. But I know I can make it back in a couple of days. All right, so we got the buy signal here. The 9 is above the 20, so we go up. All righty, here we go. All right, so I took the first trade, and I got the forward button here, one step at a time. See, lost 75 bucks. It continues to get a good pop, right? If you're doing $100 a day or challenge, right, that's your $100 right there for the day, right? And you're done trading. For me, $200 it is. All right, and my daily goal is about $200 to $300, right? But I just take whatever the market gives me. Sometimes if I feel like keep trading, I'll keep trading, right? And sometimes I feel like it's a bad day, or I gotta go, I'll stop. But my profit target is around $200 to $300, right? I try to get one more trade. It's if it's a good trade, get $100 with it, then I'm gonna get $100. If I lose, right, then I'm gonna try to get back to 200 or break even. It depends how at the end of the day it is, right? So we'll see how it goes. So next, we'll wait for the next buy signal because the market's uptrending, right? So I'm looking for to get a sell signal that I will not take, right? And then I'll get a buy signal. That's what I'm waiting for. Yeah, shot down here, got a sell signal, but shot back up. See, in this black area, see, that's why there's too much volatility in the beginning of the market. So, all right, got the sell signal here, but I will not take that because I want the market to go up, right? I'm going to follow the market the way the market is going. It's trending up, so I'm waiting for a buy signal. Gotcha. And when it pulls back up like that, right, I'm looking for a buy signal. Haven't got one yet. And this one is a little bit of tough. When I was trading this morning, I was like, this is a tough trade because it's a big wall right there, right? There's a big wall right there. So I was trying to get $200 off of this, but I knew that I couldn't, right? But we got the buy signal, and put your stop loss, give yourself some cushion, right? $400 stop loss, and if I'm going for $300 for the day, right? I got that 100 profit. If you want to do 200, you can, but it's above that barrier wall right there, right? Anyway, so $100 to get to $300 a day, and bam, we got it, right? I never hit my stop loss, got $300 for the day. So now, like if I wanted to keep trading, because it's still before 11 o'clock, right? I can trade again, try to see if I can get another 100 real quick, make it to $400 for the day, or I'll be done right now. But I got the buy signal here. Wouldn't take this sell signal, right? Because the 9 is above, going still in the uptrend, right? The 9 is above 20, right? And you see here the 200. That's why I have these other lines here for perspective. It hit it right on that 200 line and bounced right back up. Got the buy signal, right? And try to get a quick $100 real quick. And if it goes below up against me and lose 400, that's the risk you're willing to take, right? So boom, 362. Almost did. I would have been out. Well, I was sweating because I took this trade earlier. I was sweating on this. All right, we got $400, and it kept going. All right, if it reversed and it came back up by 11 o'clock, I would have took it, and it finally broke that high right there, right? It finally broke that high. It came right back down, right? That support came right back down. That's when you're being a little bit of iffy, right? So this is past the time that I usually trade. But if I was to make another trade by 12 o'clock, right? Let's see what would happen. Like I said, if I got time. So I got some little bit of room between this and the barrier that it was up here, right? It came back down, reverse. EMAs are still up, right? So get a quick another $100. Right. And 400, if it reverse against me, no, break even. That's the risk you're willing to take. It went up, touched that 100 before it went back down. And it wasn't even close to the 400 from before. So I made $500 for the day.